Kung Fu Stalking Leopard form is a special new exclusive form. It teaches powerful and deadly new Leopard Kung Fu combinations for self-protection. It defends against many attacks from all 8 angles, teaches powerful and devastating applications, and teaches many new defenses against many different kinds of attacks. Darin Martineau has trained in many martial arts styles with world-class grandmasters and masters. This book teaches a special new Kung Fu form from the Golden Dragon martial arts system. This book contains proven steps and strategies on learn all about the deadly art of Kung Fu. Learn the real skills and experience of street fighting. New self-defense techniques, devastating new combinations, grab defenses, punch defenses, flank grab defense, special throws, punching, leopard hand strikes, inside fighting techniques, elbows, knees, kicks, Kung Fu strikes, and much more. This book is a must-read for martial artists. Learn the secrets of Shaolin Kung Fu. Click the link below to buy now.